Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Fragrant Flowers bundle and the Favored Flowers Designer Series paper that you can earn for free during Sale-A. Here's a card I made with the Fragrant Flowers bundle and the Favored Flowers Designer Series paper that you can earn for free when you place a $50 order. So if you buy the Fragrant Flowers bundle, you can pick the Favored Flowers Designer Series paper as your free Sale-A-Bration item. So I have all the papers here. So this is the Favored Flowers. It has lots of different flowers in Calypso Coral and Blackberry Bliss. And you can use the dies to cut out these flowers on this sheet right here. So really, really pretty paper. If you would like a sampler like this, I'm selling these for $25 and you get 3x6 sheets of all of the designer series paper that are in the mini catalog, and then you get a free bonus of the 4 papers that are in the Sale-A-Bration catalog. So just contact me if you are interested in purchasing one of my samplers. So for this card, I started off with a piece of 4 by 5 1/4 basic black cardstock. And I've cut some of the edge flowers off the designer series paper. And I was thinking, what could I do with these? Because I don't want to waste them. They're so pretty. So I thought, oh, I can just put them on all the edges of a piece of cardstock. So I'm just going to start, because I'm going to emboss. So I'm going to start by putting some embossing powder down. So I just have that down. And then you can use a paintbrush to brush off any excess lint or anything like that. And then we're just going to use some liquid glue to adhere all of these pieces to the cardstock. And I'm using liquid glue because it'll make it easier for me to kind of move these around while I'm trying to place them. Now that I've got all the flowers glued on, I'm going to emboss the sentiment, "Hello, friend." And I'm just going to go ahead and get a little bit more powder on here, just so we don't have any stray pieces. To make everything stand out more, I use a black pen to color any dots and a white chalk marker for the embossing. The last step is just to add this to the card base, and here you go. Here's my Fragrant Flowers card.